Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it, starting with SUI here on the 1 hour chart, where we saw yesterday that we might be, of course, in a wave 4, probably finished, probably not. We were still investigating. However, as per our path here, of course, we are looking for possibly A, B, and a C. By all means, of course, we are looking for higher prices anyway, because this might be, of course, your wave B. However, let's check out what is going on, of course, here. But before we go to this, let me call it on the daily here. So to see what's going on the daily, of course, we have an A, B, and a C, right? Your wave C should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are looking for a 1-to-1 fib level at $3.15 minimum for a wave C. In case you are a 1-2 here, therefore, of course, we are looking for higher prices for a wave 3 towards the $10 exactly as psychological number again that we see most of the time with those fibs, which it might be very, very true. Now, if we move back inside the 1 hour chart to analyze what is going on, is this a wave B or is it an impulse continuation towards the upside after a finished wave 4? And in that case scenario, to know this, of course, first of all, we have to check here what is going on. First of all, we are looking here at possible 3 waves or even possible an impulse. Yeah, it's 5 waves, and then of course we are looking here ABC corrective, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now potentially we have finished, of course, a B, and a C, which is, it can be very, very normal correction for a wave 4 as a zigzag, and potentially we can move towards the upside. However, since we are looking at 3 waves as well, it is very possible to have 3 waves up and then 5 waves down. Now, if we want to take a look here and see what's going on, we are looking at a very strong impulse towards the upside here, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not impulse, but a contracting diagonal. Because I mean, it can be also impulse since your wave 3 is not the shortest as well. That it doesn't matter, since as well your wave 4 did not interfere with your wave 1. Much more possible as impulse. Very extended wave 1. And then we are looking at ABC. So possibly, guys, here we are looking at 1, 2 here. And in this case scenario, if this is a 1, 2, it could be as well ABC for your 3 wave corrective, which 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down, of course, as explained. However, of course, to know here, if you are, if you are not corrective, if you are in a zigzag, because this is an impulse, don't forget that your 1-to-1 fib level might be very, very high at $2.55. So imagine that if you are even still corrective, you are in a 3 waves towards the upside, you might still hit the 1-to-1 fib level. Now, of course, if you pass this directly to the $3 for the 1.618, and you are already impulsive. And in that case scenario, if you are still corrective, you are then in an expanding flat of a wave B. And by all means, let's check the fib if it's gonna be in confluence together, reverse. So okay. So if we hit the 1-to-1 fib level, also you're gonna hit the perfect fib level for a wave B in 3 waves, after 3 waves down, 3 waves up, expanding flat, and then moving sharply towards the downside. So be careful from this. Of course, we might be still corrective. However, if we look at our wave 2 here, our wave 2 is very sideways, and I think we already went deeper with a zigzag here, where you have a regular flat for your wave 2 here, you have a zigzag in the wave 4, which is a perfect alternation between your wave 2 and 4. So much more probably, guys, that we have finished. However, higher prices are much more required, and since our analysis already suggests higher prices from here, whether it is corrective or bullish, you need to see higher prices. Therefore, of course, be careful with it. Now, a zigzag even can hit the 0.618 and then move down again, and as you can see, this can turn it again into regular flat. However, I would consider that probably we have bottomed for our wave 4 in this case scenario, because we are looking for a very sharp move towards the upside, and it's the same for Bitcoin. So yeah, of course, wave 2, wave 4 over wave 2. Yeah, so I mean, preferably, okay, we passed the 0.618 for your wave 4. Normally, it is much more recommended that we pass at least the 1-to-1 time. And that might be here, guys. Yeah, so yeah, it is a little bit tricky, okay? However, higher prices are still now recommended because we are anyway looking at a zigzag or at an impulse. A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this is regarding SUI. What's going on? So yeah, be careful with it, watch it, and let's see what's gonna happen. Trade safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.